Hi, my name is Melissa Golden. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and just kind of check out the LEVO II. Upcoming, I will do a demonstration of the product. I've got some cheat sheets that I've already looked up on YouTube. So let's break into this thing. As you can see, I got the yellow model. They come in black, white, red, yellow. I think there was a turquoise or a teal type color. We've got what looks like the information is set up with the app. So this machine apparently, I think this is just the LEVO II and not the LEVO I, but this machine you can do absolutely everything from your cell phone, except for put the stuff in the canister. We have a quick start recipe guide. So comes with refrigerator magnets. Oh my God, those are adorable. And then we've got our user manual, which of course we're not gonna read. Too excited to get the machine out. It is pretty stout, pretty heavy. I was a little surprised when the box came. Ah, look at this thing. And this is an absolutely beautiful, like, pastel yellow, very vintage feel to it. So let's see. Get it right here. Am I missing a? No, my table's just not level. So this is it. We've got the screen. We've got the instructions to set up your auto on your phone. Everybody likes to point out this super neat, which is actually really cool because in my house, we don't have a lot of space. We've got stuff on bookshelves already. So this will be really handy because this, unfortunately, as beautiful as it is, will not be able to stay on my shelf. But I got the yellow, like I said, it just has a beautiful retro feel to it. We've got our canister here. We've got some reminders and some stickers from the manufacturer. We have our canister, our dry herb canister, and in the dry herb canister is our turbine doodad. And I think this is just an added piece of mesh for the canister. But like I said, I did some YouTubing and I saw a video. Now I'm gonna try it both ways. I may not do it the right way the first time. But I did see a tutorial that said if you get French press refill strainer things, which if you're not familiar with Amazon, I think this pack was like $3 or $5 for 10 of them. And allegedly you can put that in the bottom instead of using the canister and you get more surface area. I mean, it's sound logic. You get more surface area across your product instead of it just kind of staying housed in the canister. So I think it's sound logic, so I'm definitely gonna try it upcoming. But this thing, I'm actually really impressed with how solid everything is. And this is just a click open. Like I said, really impressed with how compact and solid everything is. This is the tray. They've got their patented slant bottom with the tube that just runs down into the face here. This does come apart. There's some threads here that could be maybe a little tricky to clean, but they shouldn't be. All of this is pretty wide thread, so it should be very easy to clean. I'm sure they probably sell replacements of your rubber tube, because it does kind of have a special fitting to get down on this threaded bit. But we also have on this canister a min and a max fill. The capacity on this bad boy, see, these are the kind of details you need to write down if you're going to be a YouTuber. But I tell you what, it is really a high, not a super high capacity. It's definitely not anywhere close to as high capacity as like your magical butter machine. But I got it just for the versatility. So see, it says you can do up to 19 fluid ounces, 5 to 19 fluid ounces. So I mean, as far as I'm concerned, 19 fluid ounces is still relatively high capacity. It's certainly not if you run an edible company and you're cranking out edibles all day, but I'm just doing this for personal use. I like to make some dog biscuits, 4th of July type dog biscuits. I really enjoy bath products, and I've actually got some lavender too that I'm going to use for that. So here's our reservoir, and then once you get in here, it's all pretty solid, pretty straightforward. No, there's one rubber grommet on the inside of that hole, but otherwise there is like nothing to get dirty or destroyed or gummed up at any point. And that is really what I am excited about, is that we don't have anything to get messy. That's all she wrote. Are we ready to get it plugged in and see what all of our buttons do?